Hey you guys, so this is a vlog. I am going to do some organizing today. I didn't want to, but things have been busy. I actually have a team that I work with. It was hard to find. It's actually kind of hot in here. Like, it's been 90 degrees lately. Anyway, so I have a team I work with, and they were all busy. Just because, like, this client contacted me short notice. So I'm gonna go and get the project started, and then I have another organizer who's coming at 11, and then I'm gonna leave, because I really don't like being in clients' homes. But there are people who are, like, really wanting to get back to work, and so I love being able to give them work to do, to help me, to help themselves, to help the economy, whatever have you. So, to help the clients, of course. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys with me, probably, and we'll see what this day has to offer. So I'm at the client's house. My team member that was supposed to be coming canceled on me. She said she had an asthma attack. Maybe she did, maybe she didn't. I hate to be like that, but you know, I don't know, I had a weird feeling about her from the beginning. So I'm sweating because it's really hot. This is a new house, and I don't know what the deal is with the air conditioning. So I'll show you around a bit. So these are just some boxes. We're in suburban New Jersey, by the way. And this is her closet with the built-ins. She's got another closet across the way, but it's very tiny. It's one of these deep closets that you find in the Northeast, where, like, there's a rack out front, like a hanging rack thing, hanging bar. I'm out of breath. There's stairs in this house, and I'm working alone, and so yeah, I feel like I'm moving. It's great. So okay, behind the hanging rack you have this space deep within the closet, and there might be shelves like in this one. So we're gonna put the things she doesn't use often in the shelves toward the back. So, pro tip, if you're gonna have someone organize you after a move, have your moving people, first of all, it's better to have an organizer do your packing, or at least someone. I'm glistening. Once again, there's no air conditioning, or it's here, but it's not on. So have the person who, packs your things, or if you're going to do it yourself, label each box meticulously. Then you have your moving company, and I highly recommend professional movers. Save and budget for it. Do your research, follow reviews, get recommendations, so that you'll get a good company. And have them place each box according to the room that it'll go in the new house. That'll save your organizer from having to run around all over your house, moving items and boxes. I've been having to kind of disperse items because the boxes are heavy and I can't lift them and bring them up the stairs. But I've got a little bit, I don't know if you can see that, I had a little bit more moved into this closet. So I'm putting things where they go, and then I'm gonna do the micro organizing. So macro is like top level, what room does this go in? Micro is which shelf does this go on? What drawer does it go in? So yes, I'm looking forward to the micro organizing because I'm really getting a workout. And yeah, I'll check back in with you. So I'm doing a bit of micro organizing. So I'm just sorting things into groups. I will recommend the client get organizing baskets that I have on my website, on my Instagram, if you've seen how I like to group things. So I am just going to, yeah, I've been putting them in groups, and so it'll be easy to just transfer them into the small bins, baskets, whatever she decides on. Okay, so let's put some clothes on some shelves. So unfortunately, we might not have a finished area I can show you today because my person canceled, my team member canceled. This is kind of a lot. It's not a lot, but it kind of is, just because of like the stairs and things weren't sorted before I got here. So yeah, the client also wanted to do another session anyway, just after all this unpacking, just to like do more micro organizing. So I will probably, if I do it and I don't send a team member, I'll show you guys the finished product at a later date. Yeah, otherwise, this is what I've gotten done. So I'm just throwing this stuff up here because I don't have time. So it's just very roughly folded. And it kind of pains me to just like quickly do this, but anyway, we're making progress. Check back in with you guys in a bit. I gotta make these towels look better. I love styling accessories like handbags and clutches. This is, yeah, I don't know. Again, micro organizing. I have a little bit of time left, so I'm gonna try to do something that looks pretty. The linen closet still has lots of room, as you can see. There's still some linens downstairs, so that's a good thing. Okay, so I gotta get out of here. This is what I got accomplished in the closet. Not the neatest folds I've ever done in my life, but I was so crunched for time. And I even gave this project extra time, which that's a whole other thing I'm not going to get into. But, yeah. I'm very kind to my clients. This closet I didn't touch. Bathroom. Oops, that's not... I hate that some of these drawers aren't real. That's a little bit tight. That's more or less it for now.